Welcome back to the GV Reddy's Automation World. Right, we are continuing on Docker series. If you haven't watched my previous videos before watching this, please go and watch them to get the more knowledge. Right, in previous class we have seen how to start the grid and how to execute the test cases. Right, now we will see Docker compose file. Right, we can create one file within single command. We can start all hub and nodes. Right. In previous class, we have seen how to by individually giving the commands to start the hub and nodes. Right. It is very difficult. Now we can create a one right a Docker compose file. We can start with a single command. We can start hub and nodes. Right. In real time, we will use the Docker compose files. Right. How to do it. Right. We'll see. Right. This is the Docker compose.yaml file. Right. This is the YAML file. Compose file is a YAML file. Here we will have a version. We can give some version, Docker version, right? Compose version 3, and then services. It will have a services. Here, what services we will have? Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Hub, right? We want to start the Hub, and then Chrome, Edge, Firefox, right? Here, first Hub. What is the image? Here we have to give the right. These are the predefined all are right. We have to give same names. Selenium Hub colon image, right? This name is we can give anything, but here image, container name, ports, these are all same names, but here I think we can give any names. Selenium hub colon image. What is the image name? Selenium colon hub. If you want a specific version, mention it, otherwise latest, it will pull the latest. Container name, we can give any name, right? We can give any name to the container. What are the ports? One is the publisher port, right? One is the publisher port, one is the right dispatcher port, one is the host port, one is the host port, right? Image, container name, ports. Then Chrome, I want to start the Chrome. First image, Selenium colon node hyphen Chrome, pull the latest. Then SHM size, right? By default it will take some memory. If it is crossed more than that, we will get some issues. So we will give some 2 GB. Okay, you can take 2 GB of data, right? To use the 2 GB of hard disk in our system. Okay, depends on Selenium hub, right? It depends on Selenium hub. First it should start the Selenium hub. Before without starting Selenium hub, it should not start. That's why it depends on Selenium hub. Then here we have to give the event bus host. We have given host as some name, right? Selenium hub. Same name we have to give here. What is the event bus hub? And publisher port. Publisher port what? 3442. Subscriber port 3443. Max instance. How many instances we want? Only one. Similarly, Chrome Edge, right? Pull the latest Edge. Remaining everything will be same. Right. Similarly, Firefox. Firefox also pull the latest image of Firefox, and depends on Selenium hub, and these are all common. Host, publish port, subscribe port, instances. Right. Then how to start? Right. By using Docker compose file, how to start the nodes and hub and nodes. Right. First we have to prepare it. You can keep it this file anywhere. Right, it's better to keep it in our project so that it will be later, if you want, we can easily refer it. Right, Docker compose file. Right, Docker compose we can keep. I have kept under src test resources. If you want to run it, change it, just copy the path, right, where it is under src test resources, right? Copy this path, right? Go to this change directory, go to that path, right? Go to that path. Right, then what is the command we have to give? Right, we have to give the command, right? Here see explanation, the right, I have already explained, right? Version, services and containers we will have. What services and container? Hub and nodes, Right here, image name sh size is shared memory, used to increase the memory to avoid crashing in the Docker containers. Right, by default it is 64 MB. Right, we are giving 2 GB. Right, ports, on which ports it should run, container name of the container depends on, right, max instances. Right, now I want to start. What is the command? Docker compose -f. What is the file name? Docker-compose.yaml. Up, we have to give the up, so that what will happen, it will bring it up. Once we press it, what it will do, it will create the container and then it will start. Suppose if you have already containers, please delete it, it will give error. Please delete those existing containers and run it. It will create the container, it will run those hub and nodes. Right, if you have already existing containers, just delete it. Right, right, it is started. Right, now we can open the browser, just refresh it. Right, go to overview. Let's see, started. It is started. Right, Chrome version is 132, Firefox 134, Edge is 132, max concurrency 1. Right, max concurrency, we can execute only one browser at a time for Chrome. Now, how to execute it? Right, previously we have created a script, same script we will run it. Right, we have created Selenium Grid script, Firefox, Edge, Chrome. Right, we have created already. Right, just right here also methods, parallel methods, thread. Just run it, run and test in the test. Right, what order it will execute? By default, it will execute in right alphabetical order. Right, quickly, it will execute very quickly. Go to sessions. See, Chrome, Edge is started. Firefox, Edge is already done. Chrome and Firefox. You can click on the here right symbol, video symbol. We can see the execution. Right, we can also already done. Already done. It is executed. Right, 3 are executed. Right, we can see the how to see the execution. Right, I have given, I think here, okay, 10 seconds we have given. Right, I stopped, we will see that. Right, just right click and very quickly it will run. If you have a long test case, we will view the execution. Right, just go to sessions. Right, Chrome, open the Chrome, click on the video symbol. Right, what is the password? Default password secret, SCCRET. Sorry, SCCRET. Right, it is connected. See, we can see the execution flow here. Right, it is done. Right, it is closed. Right, here you see now sessions are free. While executing it is 100%, it will show. Right, we'll execute it again. While running, if you observe here, it will occupy, because only one browser we have, 100% it will occupy. Let's see, 100% occupied. That means running. Now it is Edge is done. It is 0%. No, nothing is running, 0%. Right, Edge also, Firefox is done, and Chrome also done. So, and also, right, what we can do, if you want to sessions, if you want to more sessions, you want to create Chrome. I want 3 Chrome instances. Right, 2 Firefox instances, Edge 2, 4 instances. Suppose you want to increase the so that we can execute parallel Chrome 3, right, 3 test cases parallelly on Chrome we can execute. Right, how to scale up? We have to give up to here common. A Docker compose -f compose, right, Docker compose YAML file up. Then we can run the detached mode. D means detached mode. Scale Chrome equal to 3. That means 3 instances. Firefox to Edge 4. Right, first we have to stop the existing one. Right, it is not running in detached mode. It is not running in detached mode. How to stop it? Control C. Control C. Right, it will stop. Right now, if you want to see docker ps hyphen a, right, all are stop, all are stop. Now we will use the command this one, docker compose. Okay, docker compose hyphen f compose file up hyphen d detached mode hyphen scale. I want Chrome 3 hyphen scale, Firefox 2 hyphen scale, Edge 4. We will see how it will run. Okay, it is started. See, now command prompt is free. Now command prompt is not blocking. Right, if you don't run in detached mode, it will block it. Right, if you see, all are up and running, up and running. Let's see here how many Chrome created. We have given Chrome 3, Edge 4, Firefox 2. Right, those many containers it is created and running. If we give multiple containers will create. Right, see here, here is created. It is showing multiple because it is created multiple containers separately. Right, it is showing multiple. Right, now we can suppose, right, I will create same thing one more time. Okay, here we have to give login something one, login underscore, so that what will happen, just it will run parallel. We can keep it as a, right, we will run in a parallel, we will run parallel test. If we run parallel methods, what will happen, first it will run this one, then again this one. We cannot observe parallel tests. How many tests we have? Two. So now we will see. That means what it will do, from one test case from here it will take, one test case from here it will take. Right, we'll see. Right click and run as quickly. We will open this. Which one is blocking? Still not started. Right, it is started somewhere. Where it is started? See, Chrome browser. Two Chromes are started. Two Chrome browsers are started. Right now again it is started two more. Still running. Chrome is done. Which one started? See, it is very quickly done in very less right, test cases, right? Right, parallelly, right, Firefox. It is started to Firefox, right? See, we have two instances, so at a time two are running Firefox. Right, like this we can run it. Right, like this we can run parallelly. We can increase the right browsers instances also. Simply, very simple commands. Suppose I want to down, right, now all are up, right, I want to down. Simple thing, docker compose hyphen f compose hyphen, right, down. Once we down, it will remove the containers also. It will remove containers also. We'll see that. Removed, see, removed. It will stop and remove all the containers also. Right now, just docker ps hyphen, see, there is no containers. All containers are removed. Right, if you down means it will remove all. Again, you can up and run it again. Right, fine. If you want to stop, right, just you want to stop, we can stop that. Right, up and down, we can give those commands. By using those commands, so we can bring it up and bring it down. Right, fine. Default password is secret if you want to see the video. Right, fine. Yeah, that's for it. This is about the Docker. Please watch all the Docker series. You will get more knowledge on it, how to execute our Selenium test cases on the latest Selenium 4, right, by using latest Selenium 4 Grid. Right, thanks for watching. If you like my way of teaching and content, just subscribe to the channel. Right, please comment if you require any additional information or suggestions. I will take it. Right, please share to your friends also. Right, thanks for watching.